Good morning to all my Siphon volunteers. As you know, Siphon is now affiliated with WIPNet, and I got this mail from WIPNet which I want to share with you all. So I just wanted to show you this mail, and you all can. I go to my Gmail, and I have received a mail from WIPNet, and WIPNet is launching a channel, India Science. It's a 24 hours internet based TV channel, and you can view this channel through the links that have been given to you. I will go on to one of the links that they have shared with me, www.indiascience.in. I click on that, and if I have a good internet speed, I can watch a lot of science related videos on this. Okay, so you can try and avail the latest videos related to science through this channel. I can click on this, the Eclipse Season 2020, and I can watch an informative video which is coming from Vigyan Prasar. So I would request you all to avail this facility of Vigyan Prasar, and you can see this video.
Once again, it is an eclipse season on our planet Earth. This year, 3 eclipses are in line in the months of June and July. On 5th and 6th of June, the people from Asia, Europe, Africa and Australia witnessed the penumbral lunar eclipse. And on 21st of June, the world is gearing up to witness the annular solar eclipse. Another penumbral eclipse will occur on 5th of July, but it won't be visible above the Indian sky. Hello, I am Prachi Gupta and you are watching the show, The Eclipse Season 2020. In the next half an hour, I will take you through the science behind the eclipses, their existence, their importance and the eclipses this year. To join me in the discussion and to answer your most pertinent questions, I have in the studio with me Dr. Arvind C. Ranade, Scientist F at the Vigyan Prasar that falls under the Department of Science and Technology. Welcome to the show, sir. But before we plunge into the discussion, watch this report on eclipses.
An eclipse takes place when one heavenly body such as a moon or a planet moves into the shadow of another heavenly body. There are 2 types of eclipses on Earth, an eclipse of the moon known as lunar eclipse and an eclipse of the sun known as solar eclipse. Our planet Earth revolves around sun and moon revolves around the Earth. Moon takes almost 1 month to complete one revolution around the Earth. Every month 2 times sun, moon and Earth comes in a straight line. Once on the new moon and once on the full moon. This is how there should be 2 eclipses in 1 month. One should be solar eclipse and one lunar eclipse, but it doesn't happen like this. In reality, these 3 bodies don't revolve in a planar orbit. The moon's orbit is titled by 5 degrees while revolving around the Earth, and because of which sun, moon and Earth come in front of each other, but not on the same plane, and moon's shadow don't reach Earth, but it's somewhere in the space, and we don't see the sun covered behind the moon. When the moon orbits Earth, sometimes it moves between the sun and the Earth in a straight line. When this happens, the moon blocks the light of the sun from reaching Earth and moon's shadow reaches Earth, and this causes a total solar eclipse. When sometimes Earth and moon don't exactly line up, doesn't cover the sun entirely, then partial solar eclipse happens. During the partial solar
So students, you can view videos like this on this channel. So I would suggest you to please go and visit this site. I will show you the site back again, and visit all these latest videos related to science. There is an app called as India Science as well. You can download that app and you can watch latest videos there as well, or else you can go to these links which have been sent to me. I am sharing them with you, and you can see the latest videos. And this is a message which has come from VIPNet, that is Vigyan Prasar, and I hope you will enjoy watching latest science related videos through this sites which I am screening now for you. As I have told you, there is an app in the Play Store also. I guess you can get that app of Science India. I already have that app, I guess, or else we can try it getting from the Play Store to get the latest videos. Here, India Science app also you can download, which also gives you the latest videos, but now VIPNet is also launching it as a channel.
Monsoon rains are nature's way to quench the thirst of the earth.
So here also you can get amazing science related videos here. This one is very nice actually, 15 amazing facts about solar eclipse, and you can get videos like that. So please try and visit these sites and enjoy science in this lockdown period. Good luck to all of y'all. Bye bye.